Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Anyone who's returning, thank you so much for coming back. And anybody who's new here, hi, my name is Izzy. Today's video, I thought I would do a makeup video, so I'm going to show you guys how to recreate this look at home. I will try to link everything that I've used down in the description box because I know that I'm terrible at remembering to say what I'm using as I'm filming, something to improve on for 2021. But without further ado guys, I'm just going to jump straight into the video, so next time you see me will be my naked face. I'm going to use a little bit of the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, and I like to just put a little bit on the back of my hand. This one is in the shade Vanilla. And I'm just going to use a beauty blender. I'm going to just take it round my nose. Just onto my cheeks. And just round my chin. So basically I'm just doing it in the areas where I have most of my discoloration. And then I'm going to just take my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. Now this one is it's a touch too pale for me, but I'll just warm it up with bronzer. This one's in shade 5. And I just like to do one pump. I don't like a heavy foundation at all. And around. This is their Bobbi Brown Pot Rouge. This one's Fresh Melon, and I'm just going to put that onto the uppers of my cheeks just to bring a little bit of colour back. I love this because it's just easy to mould into the skin. Next up, I'm going to use my favourite powder, which is I'm dropping things. My favourite powder, which is the Mercier Smooth Finish Foundation Powder. Now this is my summer shade, but I actually find that it warms the foundation up quite nicely. So I've just put a little bit of bronzer on, just to again warm my face up again. This is Bobbi Brown Bronze Shimmer Brick. I'm just going to pop a little bit of that on because I like to have a glow, especially in winter, because I feel like my skin's a lot more dull in winter. It's better. I'm just going to zoom in a bit. Just going to place that onto the lid. Next, I'm going to use my McGrath palette here, and I'm going to go with this colour. Next, I'm going to use this darker colour here, and I'm going to do that under my eye. Extending out ever so slightly. Extending it out. I'm also going to take the same colour and I'm just going to zhuzh that through the socket of my eye. And then I'm going to take this gorgeous red colour here, and I'm going to put it on my finger and put that through this part of my eye here. And then I'm just going to add a sparkle over the top. I'm gonna go back into my deeper colour now and work that into the outer corner of my eye. Next up, I'm going to take a little bit of eyeliner. I'm using a liquid liner. Next up, I'm going to do my unruly brows. I'm going to use a MAC eyebrow pencil. This one is Lingering. And I'm just going to brush my brow hairs up. And do the same to the other side. Now, because my brows are quite unruly at the minute, because, hello, lockdown, I'm going to use a little bit of brow glue just to tame them a bit. I don't want them all wild, I'm literally just using it to tame them in place. Use a little bit of touche, a clap under my eye. So I'm using a McGrath lipstick. So I'm just going to line with MAC Edge to Edge lip liner. So for today I'm going to put on a set of lashes. I'm going to use, these are Lolas Lashes. This is a lash called Sapphire. It's quite a natural lash. I don't have the biggest of gaps from my lash line to my brow bone, so I can't handle a massive lash. So with the Lolas Lashes, they're like a flick and stick. So this is the eyelash adhesive. So I'm just going to go over the top of the liner that I've already done. Like so. Should be done just in time, ready for my DPD driver to come. So guys, there we go. There is a nice, quick, easy makeup tutorial for an everyday glam-ish look. Everybody's glam's a little bit different, but this would be my sort of everyday, trying to make a little bit of an effort, maybe a Friday night in lockdown look, which today is Friday. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please do give it a thumbs up. If there's anything else that you'd like to see, please pop it in the comments down below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys again really, really soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!